Welcome to Void Byte. Today we are going to write our first Java program. First, open File Explorer and create a new folder. You can name it anything. I'll name it Java Tutorial. Now right-click inside that folder, click Show More Options, and choose Open with Code. It will open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Inside VS Code, create a new file and name it firstprogram.java. Note: Java is case-sensitive, so make sure the file name and class name match exactly. Now write this code exactly as shown below. And make sure your class name is also firstprogram. Public class firstProgram defines a class named firstProgram. Public static void main. This is the entry point of every Java program. System.out.println used to display output. Note: don't forget semicolon. I repeat, don't forget semicolon. We'll explain classes and functions in detail in the upcoming videos. To open the terminal, you can do that by clicking on Terminal, New Terminal, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+. That's the key just below the escape button. In Java, we can add comments to explain our code. Comments are ignored by the compiler, so they don't affect the program, but they help us and others understand the logic behind it. To write a single-line comment, use double slashes. For multi-line comments, use the ***/ format. So, why are comments important? Because they make your code more clean, organized, and most importantly, readable. Readability is a key skill in programming. Good code is not just about getting the job done. It should also be easy to read, maintain, and improve later. Whether you're working on a small project or in a big company, comments help everyone understand what's going on in the code. So start building the habit. Always write clear, meaningful comments. Your future self and your teammates will thank you. System.out.println and will print your output into Mina. Don't forget to enable word wrap in VS Code. It helps you read long lines of code without scrolling horizontally. This makes your code easier to view, especially on smaller screens. It's a small setting, but trust me, it makes a big difference in readability and comfort. You can turn it on by going to View Word Wrap, or just press the shortcut Alt+C. Now open the terminal and type javac firstprogram java. This will compile the file and create a new file called firstprogram.class. So, what does compile mean? When we type javac firstprogram java, Java runs a compiler called javac. This compiler checks your code for errors, like missing semicolons or wrong syntax. If there are no mistakes, it converts your .java file into a .class file, which is a form your computer can understand and run. In simple words, compile equals check plus translate. Your code is first checked for problems, then translated into a format the computer can execute. Then type Java, first program, and boom, you'll see the output. Hello world. Thanks for watching. You can find the code in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and continue your Java journey only on VoidByte.